Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7049 Lake Avenue in Williamson.
This is a spectacular country estate on over 7 acres with an amazing historic home with an in-ground pool and many outbuildings.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends to this mint historic circa 1900 home, updated to perfection, with this amazing wraparound porch. And the spacious foyer with period moldings and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to many rooms, including a fireplace family room and potential in-law suite with an adjacent powder room.
The historic character and charm of this property will bring you back in time, but with extremely well thought out modern updates. Featuring a designer cook's kitchen with gorgeous cabinetry, granite countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, an original freezer chest and butler's pantry. Leading to an elegant dining room with decorative and crown moldings, curved walls, and beautiful hardwood floors. And a spacious family room with crown molding and hardwood floors with a decorative inlay. Imagine entertaining family and friends.
A custom staircase and banister with exceptional woodworking leads to this expansive upstairs landing with 5 spacious bedrooms and 2 full updated bathrooms, 1 with a laundry, including a private primary suite with great natural light and a jetted tub. Great for relaxing, plus expandability on the 3rd floor. This circa 1900 home was originally built as the J.H. Tietz & Sons family fruit farm. The quality craftsmanship is evident in the architectural details. Enjoy living with history with a spectacular property.
It's time for a pool party. Enjoy the country resort lifestyle with an expansive in-ground heated pool with a sun basking area, a stone grill, and a combination basketball and tennis court. This place is so much fun.
This property has 3 amazing outbuildings, featuring a garage and workshop, a guest house or office, and a 60-foot by 150-foot mega barn with a riding arena, 6 horse stalls, and a tack room. You have everything here to enjoy this one-of-a-kind country estate, whether for pleasure or for a potential business. The amazing 7+ acres has beautiful landscaping, including fruit trees, blueberry bushes, and mature trees. This offers the ultimate country lifestyle. Nearby this property is the charming hamlet of Ponyville in Lake Ontario, with easy access to Rochester and the entire Western New York region. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7049 Lake Avenue in Williamson.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.